One of the most prolific crimes committed by a cybercriminal is the business email compromise scam, also known as a BEC scam. In this act of deception, the cybercriminal generally poses as a high-ranking figure, typically within your business, and uses that authority to get some form of payment from their victim. To facilitate their impersonations, cybercriminals can use several methods of deception. Spoofing. Spoofing occurs when slight changes in an email are made to make a fake email look legitimate. Account takeover. Whether it's the result of a weak password or a success phishing or social engineering attempt, a compromised account allows the scammer to send their trick from the genuine source. When a CEO or high-ranking employee is impersonated, it is commonly known as CEO fraud. Some of the most common examples of CEO fraud involves the scammer, posing as the CEO, asking an employee to purchase gift cards for staff and provide them with the card numbers, or requesting the employee complete a wire transfer to a new account that the scammer manages. Although difficult to spot, there are ways to keep these cybercriminals from fulfilling their scams. Let's take a look at a few. Be aware of what you are sharing online and on social media. Scammers can use information you post to make their social engineering schemes appear more legitimate. Check the email address of everyone you correspond with. Spoofers will use tiny changes in an email address to pose as a legitimate individual. But remember, even a real email address may be taken over by a cybercriminal. So take note of suspicious requests. If the sender is pushing you to complete your task quickly, be cautious. Cybercriminals like to create a false sense of urgency in order to make their victims think less about what they are doing. Create a dual method of verification for important tasks and transactions within your organization. Get verification from other sources outside of email. BEC scams can be devastating financially, but they can also mar a company's reputation. So make sure you are staying up to date on all the practices you need to ensure that you are not the next victim.